Today, we delve into the parable of the lost sheep found in the book of Luke, chapter 15, verses 1 to 7. The scripture reads, "And when he finds it, he joyfully puts it on his shoulders and goes home. Then he calls his friends and neighbors together and says, 'Rejoice with me, I have found my lost sheep.'" This parable beautifully demonstrates God's relentless pursuit of those who are lost and his immense joy when they return to him. Application: embrace God's grace and extend it to others. Be proactive in reaching out to those who have strayed from the faith. Benefit: understanding and sharing God's grace helps you grow closer to Him and encourages others to do the same. Call to action: reach out to someone who does not know God and Yeshua, or who has drifted away from His word and faith in Yeshua. Offer them support and remind them of God's love and forgiveness. Thank you for watching and meditate on this scripture. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay blessed.